ನೀಟ್ ಯುಜಿ 2024 ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತಮ ಅಂಕ ಗಳಿಸಿದ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಆಕಾಶ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಸನ್ಮಾನಿಸಲಾಯಿತು.
ನೀಟ್ ಯುಜಿ 2024 ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ 710 ಅಂಕಗಳೊಂದಿಗೆ ಎಐಆರ್ 592 ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಗಳಿಸಿರುವ ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಟಾಪ್ ಸ್ಕೋರರ್ ಅಮನ್ ಅಬ್ದುಲ್ ಹಕೀಮರನ್ನ ಆಕಾಶ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಕೇಂದ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದ ಸಮಾರಂಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ಮತ್ತು ವ್ಯವಹಾರ ಮುಖ್ಯಸ್ಥ ಧೀರಜ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಮಿಶ್ರಾ ಸನ್ಮಾನಿಸಿದರು.
So first of all, many parents would like to ask a few questions. Why Akash? What is Akash? What is Akash coaching to? So I would like to answer those questions first of all. Akash is basically a coaching institute where we coach from class 8th to class 12th. So class 8th, 9th, 10th we call it as foundation, whereas 11th, 12th it could be either medical or engineering. So when it comes to foundation, first of all, we focus on board exams, and also there are some competitive exams in 8th, 9th, 10th. Now these competitive exams can be in the form of IOQM or NSCJS. IOQM is Indian Olympiad Qualifier in Mathematics. NSCJS National Standard Examination in Junior Science. This is for foundation. When it comes to 11th and 12th, first PU and second PU, first I would like to tell engineering and then proceed with medical. In engineering, there are two major competitive examination. One is called as JEE, Joint Entrance Examination, and the other is Karnataka State Examination, which is called as KCET. Now the Joint Entrance Examination is of two types. One is mains and the other is advance. Mains is for usually NITs, National Institute of Technology ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, whereas ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆದವರು ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ IIT, ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಎರಡು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಲೆವೆಲಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋಚಿಂಗ್ ತಗೊಂಡವ್ರಿಗೆ KCET ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಈಸಿನೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ KCET ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಕೋಚಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ CET ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ.
ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ಅಮನ್ ಅಬ್ದುಲ್ ಹಕೀಂ, ವೇಳಾಪಟ್ಟಿಯಂತೆ ಶಿಸ್ತಿನ ಅಧ್ಯಯನ ನಡೆಸಿದ ಕಾರಣದಿಂದಾಗಿ ತಮಗೆ ಯಶಸ್ಸು ಗಳಿಸಲು ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾಯಿತು ಎಂದರು. ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಭಯ ಇಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳದೆ ಕಠಿಣ ಪರಿಶ್ರಮದ ಮೂಲಕ ತಯಾರಿ ನಡೆಸಿದರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗೂ ಉತ್ತರಿಸಲು ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಗುರಿಯನ್ನು ಮುಟ್ಟಲು ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾಗುತ್ತದೆ ಎಂದು ಅಮನ್ ಹೇಳಿದರು.
ಅಮನ್, ಹೌ ಡಿಡ್ ದ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಯು ಅಮನ್?
Test series helped me understand the concepts very deeply. NCERT, a deep understanding of the NCERT was gained through the test series.
Okay.
And the teachers gave very good doubt clarification sessions.
Okay.
Where all my mistakes I could realize and I would never make the mistake again.
Okay. So what all different types of tests that you have attended in Akash?
FTS, AIATS and almost 16 part syllabus tests.
Okay. So these are different types. In All India Akash Test Series, what was highlighted?
In All India Akash Test Series, they would ask each part syllabus test, they would ask different types of questions, such that even if you have read the NCERT many times, you would still find some question that you have not understood or read before. And they ask very unique and analytical questions which are very important for NEET.
Okay. So in NEET 2024 syllabus, there were few additional topics added. So was it taught in Akash?
Yes.
Okay.
They would frequently ask at least one or two questions from the additional syllabus, from flowers, and in chemistry also they would ask about salts. These are extremely helpful since it was this is the first time it's coming in NEET.
Okay, new syllabus you're taking. Okay, good. So anything else you wanted to convey to your juniors?
I would like to convey that you should not miss any test of Akash, and you should not have any fear towards answering tests. You should consistently hard work and make sure that every test you answer, you make less and less mistakes, and use tests as your motivation to work harder.
Okay. So did physics, chemistry, NEET helped you to crack JEE as well?
Yes, I used to work JEE main questions for NEET so that if in case any NEET question will be harder than the usual, I would be able to answer it. And I feel in every Akash test at least 1 or 2 questions of JEE Main PYQs were included, which helped me a lot.
In terms of study material given by Akash?
Study material was very helpful. Like I liked the way of they differentiated the sections actually. We had NCRT based questions, PYQs, which was very helpful. PYQs are very important for NEET, and in NEET exam also I could relate some questions, though they were not the same, but they were similar to the ones in the module.
Okay.
ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಕೆಎಂಸಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಲಂ ನವಾಜ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ತ್ರೀರೋಗ ತಜ್ಞೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸೌದಾ ಆಲಂ ನವಾಜ್ ದಂಪತಿಯ ಪುತ್ರ ಅಮನ್ ಅಬ್ದುಲ್ ಹಕೀಂ 1ರಿಂದ 10ನೇ ತರಗತಿವರೆಗೆ ಕೆನರಾ ಸಿಬಿಎಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಳಿಕ ಪಿಯುಸಿಯನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪರ್ಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಗಿಸಿದ್ದರು. ಅವರು ಮುಂದೆ ಜನರಲ್ ಫಿಸಿಷಿಯನ್ ಅಥವಾ ನ್ಯೂರೋಸರ್ಜನ್ ಆಗುವ ಗುರಿ ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದೇ ವೇಳೆ ದ್ವಿತೀಯ ಟಾಪರ್ ಸಿಂಚನಾರನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಅಭಿನಂದಿಸಲಾಯಿತು. ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಐಎಸ್ಎಲ್ನ ಸಹಾಯಕ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕ ಶ್ಯಾಮ್ ಪ್ರಸಾದ್, ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಹೆಡ್ ವಿಶ್ವನಾಥ್ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದರು.